How to pretty print a JSON file? How do I pretty print a JSON file in Python?
Use the indent equals parameter of JSON.dump or JSON.dumps to specify how many spaces to indent by. To parse a file, use JSON.load.
You can do this on the command line. As already mentioned in the commentaries to the question, thanks to @Pipets for the Python 3 suggestion. Actually, Python is not my favorite tool as far as JSON processing on the command line is concerned. For simple pretty printing is okay, but if you want to manipulate the JSON it can become overcomplicated. You'd soon need to write a separate script file. You could end up with maps whose keys are some key, Python Unicode, which makes selecting fields more difficult and doesn't really go in the direction of pretty printing. You can also use JQ. And you get colors as a bonus, and way easier extendability. Addendum: there is some confusion in the comments about using JQ to process large JSON files on the one hand, and having a very large JQ program on the other. For pretty printing a file consisting of a single large JSON entity, the practical limitation is RAM. For pretty printing a 2 GB file consisting of a single array of real-world data, the maximum resident set size required for pretty printing was 5 GB, whether using JQ 1.5 or 1.6. Note also that JQ can be used from within Python after pip install JQ.
You could use the built-in module print, this URL. How you can read the file with JSON data and print it out. The output is not a valid JSON, because print use single quotes and JSON specification require double quotes. If you want to rewrite the pretty print formatted JSON to a file, you have to use print.format.
Pigmentize plus Python JSON.tool equals pretty print with syntax highlighting. Pigmentize is a killer tool. See this. I combine Python JSON.tool with Pigmentize. See the link above for Pigmentize installation instruction. A demo of this is in the image below.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.